Let's play a quick game. It's called Am I Rich or Do I Just Have Expensive Stuff? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we aren't talking about how to save $5 on coffee. We are talking about the actual engine of wealth. If you've ever wondered why you work hard but your bank account looks like it's on a permanent diet, this video is for you. We are breaking down the holy grail of finance, assets versus liabilities. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why your car hates your wallet and how to make money while you sleep. Let's dive into financial freedom first steps. All right, first things first. We have to define our terms. And no, I don't mean the dictionary definitions that put you to sleep. What is an asset? Here is the simplest definition you will ever hear. An asset puts money in your pocket. That's it. If you have to feed it, paint it, or fix it, and it gives you nothing back, it's not an asset. Real estate that pays you rent? Asset. Stocks that pay dividends? Asset. Your vintage Pokemon card collection? Maybe an asset, but let's stick to the basics, like bonds and intellectual property. Now, for the villain of our story, the liability. A liability takes money out of your pocket. It is a financial vampire. It sucks your resources dry. Credit card debt? Obviously a vampire. That personal loan you took out for a vacation you took 3 years ago? Vampire. And here's the controversial one. Everyone gets mad at me for this. Your house. Unless you are renting out rooms, your house takes money out of your pocket for taxes, repairs, and that mortgage. It's a liability that you live in. Sorry. Don't shoot the messenger. Let's look at this visually, because pictures are worth $1,000, hopefully. On the left, we have a rental property. It's not flashy, but it pays you every month. That is an asset. In the middle, we have a red sports car. It looks cool. It goes fast, but the moment you drive it off the lot, it loses value, and it demands gas, insurance, and repairs. That is a liability. On the right, that's the goal. Compound growth. We want your money to have babies, and then we want those babies to have babies. That is how wealth is built. Now, this is where the magic happens. This is the difference between being broke at $100,000 a year and being wealthy at $50,000 a year. It's the cash flow pattern. The poor pattern is simple. Money comes in, and money goes out immediately to expenses. Rent, food, Netflix, zero remains. The middle class pattern is the trap. You get a raise, hooray, so you buy a bigger house and a nicer car. Income comes in, hits the liability column, and goes right back out the door. You look rich, but you're actually just running faster on the treadmill. Now look at the wealthy pattern. Income comes in, and it goes straight into assets. Those assets then generate more income. It's a loop. Eventually, the assets pay for the luxury car, and you don't even have to work for it. That is the dream, people. I know what you're thinking, but assets take forever to build. Let's look at the math. See the blue bars? That's your salary. It grows linearly. Maybe you get a 3% raise. Yay! See the gold bars? That's asset income. At year 5, it's tiny. You can barely buy a coffee with it. But look at year 20. Because of compound interest, that gold bar explodes. Eventually, your money works harder than you do. You want to be the gold bar. Time for a pop quiz. How much are you actually worth? No, not your self-worth. You're priceless. I mean your net worth. It's simple math. Assets minus liabilities. Look at this example. This person has a nice house and a 401k, but they also have student loans and a mortgage. When you do the math, $370,000 minus $285,000. Their actual wealth is $85,000. Go do this exercise tonight. Add up everything you own, subtract everything you owe. If the number is negative, don't panic. Just keep watching. I want to clear up a myth. Debt isn't always bad. It's like cholesterol. There's the good kind and the artery clogging kind. Good debt puts money in your pocket. If I borrow money to buy a rental house and the tenant pays the mortgage plus extra, that's good debt. Someone else is paying it off. Bad debt is borrowing money to buy shoes, a TV, or a vacation. If you are paying 20% interest on a credit card for a pizza you ate 3 years ago, we need to talk. Okay, you're hyped. You're ready to buy an asset. Where do you start? Here is the roadmap. Step 1. Save $1,000, $5,000. You need an emergency fund so you don't rob your investments when your tire blows out. Step 2. Kill the bad debt. Destroy it, no mercy. Step 3. Educate yourself. Read books, watch channels like this one. Step 4. Analyze 100 deals before you buy one. Do the math. Step 5. Pull the trigger. Buy that first asset. I'll leave you with this quote from the legend, Robert Kiyosaki. The rich buy assets. The poor only have expenses. The middle class buy liabilities they think are assets. Don't be the person buying liabilities thinking they are assets. Be the person building the gold bar. If you found value in this, smash that like button. It's an asset for the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe for more financial wisdom. See you in the next one.